What's going on YouTube? This is Austyn Hustles here, and right now we are trying to add some more inventory to our private label business called Makhai Strength. So currently we've done shorts and we're almost done with sweatpants, wearing them right now. You see that little Makhai. But basically we are probably around $800 to $900 negative on the sweatpants, but by the time that my new order and the new drop is going to be out, we'll probably break even on the sweats, maybe go positive on them. So we're gonna go ahead and get that planned out right now. Before I do begin this video, I'd like to say please subscribe and go ahead and click the notification bell, because here on the Austyn Hustles channel we do release daily videos and I don't want you guys to miss a thing. Also, this series we're gonna call it like the new drop, just because I'm basically gonna be documenting everything until the newest Makhai drop. Makhai Strength is my private label brand. You can go ahead and check out the Instagram at Makhai Strength or go to makhaistrength.com, and then basically we're gonna be documenting everything. Let's go. So for the new drop, I want to do something like maybe a muscle tee. I just want to have some type of like shirt garment, so either t-shirt, like athletic t-shirt, or a muscle tee. And then I also want to experiment with women's leggings, because I have nothing for women in Makhai Strength. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go to Alibaba.com and we're basically going to shop for suppliers. So Alibaba is like a place where it basically connects America to like foreign trade. So basically it's like an online shop for factories in Pakistan, China, overseas countries. So basically we're on here, and then I looked up a muscle shirt, and then I kind of just scrolled through. I found one that I would like. I kind of like this one here, so we're gonna go ahead, click on it, and then we're gonna contact the supplier, and then we're gonna ask, we're gonna say, hello, I am interested in your muscle shirt. Can you do a custom logo? And can you do a custom logo and modifications? Question mark. I look forward to working with you. And then we're gonna go ahead and copy this, because we're gonna be sending this same message to some other suppliers. So we're gonna send inquiry, and then we're gonna go hit up some other suppliers that that I'm interested in. All right, so I just hit up another supplier. I said, hello, I'm interested in your tank top. Can you do a custom logo and modifications? Can I also see pictures of tank tops that you have in stock, along with tank tops that you've made for previous customers, just so I can see the quality? And because usually the picture here isn't actually what the manufacturer is selling, but it's like somewhere along those lines. So usually I ask, like, can I see what you guys have in stock or previous things that you've made? And then I look forward to working with you. So I send inquiry. Okay, so I'm recording this video at 10:40 right now, and that's because China is 15 hours ahead. So it's gonna be like 2:40 right now for them. So basically they're gonna be on their computers, they're gonna see what I'm sending them, and then I can get quicker responses. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and send some more messages to some more suppliers. Alright, so I'm here on my phone and I already got 3 replies from 3 people I sent out to. So the first one, Vicky, said, hello Austyn, we can do custom logo. May I see logo pictures? So we'll get back to that. Is there a way we can unread this? No. Hi Austyn, nice to meet you. This is Zoe. Cool. Okay, and then some pictures for your reference. They are the ones we made for other customers. We can make sample for you to confirm. So basically what I'm looking for right now is pictures of previous, basically not designs. I'm looking for previous like samples that they made for previous customers, and then from there I'm going to take their picture and then basically do a mock-up in Photoshop for my own. But before I do that, or after I do that, I want to find out what material they use, if they can do embroidery, and then I want to find out what the cost for a sample would be. And then this time around I also want to find out if they can bundle up a sample, because I also want to test out women's leggings like I said before. Alright, so here's what's gone down. 2 of these people have messaged us. They sent us some pictures. We're going to go ahead and make mock-ups with those. And then they told us the material. I asked them if they can make custom tags and packaging, like the ones I've had before. And they said it can be done. So the one person The other person, pretty much the same thing, asked if it could be done. And then these are what their tags look like, it seems. Okay, yeah, so something like this. So we'll go ahead and say, okay, nice. I will make a mock-up and send to you. And we'll say the same thing. Yes, it's gonna be a hang tag and non-knitted zip bag. Okay. I will make a mock-up and send to you. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead, we have these two suppliers in mind. We're gonna go ahead and make a mock-up. So basically what will happen after the mock-up, I'm gonna ask them if they can embroider the logo. And then if that's a yes, we already asked for custom tags, we asked for custom packaging, and then we're gonna ask the price for the normal sample. It's probably gonna be around like $60 to $100. But then we are going to ask if we can bundle up the sample, and we're gonna see if the supplier also sells like leggings or whatever else I want to do, and I'm gonna see if I can bundle up. Alright, so before I was even doing the mock, she asked what my minimum order quantity was, which was basically the minimum amount of things that I'll order. And I said it's probably gonna be at least 100 for the tank tops. And then I basically just said, do you have leggings or yoga pants? And then she sent me some pictures. Obviously, these did not look too good. I asked if they had more. She sent these. The mannequins aren't doing it justice. So I asked what materials they are, and then I'm basically gonna try to get the same materials as Lululemon leggings, and yeah, I'll see what I can do from there. We are back in the morning because I fell asleep, but we're gonna go ahead and check our phone on the Alibaba app and see what the suppliers sent to us overnight. So, first things first, I'm not gonna work with this supplier, Zoe, because when I first texted them, they had a pretty weird response, like they didn't actually answer my questions. And then when I asked to see pictures, they said yes, and it took them another like 30 something minutes to actually send the pictures. That's kind of suspicious. That means they're probably not an actual manufacturer, and the reason that it took so long to get the pictures because they had to get the pictures from the actual manufacturer, and these guys are just a middleman basically. Let's check what Tracy sent. She said, so she wanted the logo design, but then she sent us the pictures. Okay, and I'm kind of liking this design here. Like, I like everything with tapered in the bottom. So we'll go ahead and do a mock-up of that. And then Vicky, we were asking her about the leggings too, and she said that they're 85% nylon, 15% spandex. So we're gonna look up 85% nylon, 15% spandex leggings, and we're basically just gonna see pictures of them and just like look at the quality. Nylon, 50% spandex. Alright, so when looking up Lululemon, it appears that the fabric they use is actually trademark. It's 86% nylon and 14% lycra, and apparently that blend is like trademarked by them, and that's what makes it so special. That's why their prices are so high, because nobody can replicate it. So we're gonna go ahead and look up what the closest blend to that would be. So we actually searched Amazon, we found a pair of leggings that me and my girlfriend agreed on were pretty good quality. So we went ahead and asked the supplier if they could replicate that quality, and we sent them a picture of the exact leggings. Alright, so basically here are the designs I made for the muscle tees. This is the back. We have Makhai straight down the spine, and then we got just the logo in the front center. I might play around with this design a bit, but I think this is what I'm probably gonna go with, and I'm gonna get it embroidered too if I can. Probably switch up the colors, won't do only black, but you guys will see what happens once we get through with the sample. So actually what I'm gonna do is, it's 1:40 right now. For me, they're probably, yeah, it's 5:40 a.m. right now in China, so they're not gonna be basically checking my text to them. So we're not gonna send over the designs just yet. We're gonna see what they say about the leggings and if they can do the leggings, because I really want to do a bundle with this order. I want to get the leggings and the muscle tees. So if they say they can't do the leggings, then we're just gonna move on and find another supplier, and we're not gonna send them our design because, well, there's just no point if we're not even gonna order from them. So at the moment, there's pretty much nothing I can do since all my suppliers are asleep. But basically, when they come back, here's my little checklist. So first I'm gonna see if they can do the material blend that I want for the leggings, and then we're gonna see if they can do a custom design with that. If they can do that, then we're gonna see if they can embroider the muscle t-shirts. After that, we're gonna ask for the price of the bulk order, and then we're gonna ask for the cost per piece, and then we are going to ask for the sample price, and then we're going to ask if we can bundle the sample, if we can get the muscle tees and the leggings. Then we're going to ask what the production time will be, and then from there we are going to make the order. But we're gonna go ahead and end this episode here. We'll probably call this little series the new drop, because I'm just gonna be documenting everything until the new Makhai drop. So this has been Austyn Hustles. If you enjoy this type of content, go ahead and subscribe right down here to the left of me. I got some of my older videos. Go ahead and check them out. I think you'll like them. But this has been Austyn Hustles, and I'm out.